Welcome! In front of me is a POCO M5 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, or I should probably specify this by saying toggles, which are located on the right side from the top. Then swipe page over where you'll find your DND toggle, which is Do Not Disturb. Once you locate this toggle, you want to hold it. Go. And once you do, it takes you to settings for sound and vibration, but if you scroll down, you'll find, there we go, Do Not Disturb. So here we have just a limited amount of settings for it. You can enable it with this toggle. Then we have a schedule. So once enabled, it gives you the start, end time, and repeat. So you can choose which day of the week you want it to repeat during. Then we have when device is locked, so only Do Not Disturb mode will only run when the device is just locked. When it's not, like right now, it will act normally. Then notify about calls from basically anyone, contacts, favorite, or no one. And last thing is notify about repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you'll get a notification about it. So this option might be useful to some people that, I don't know, maybe in terms of like emergencies, someone tries to like spam call you, this will allow them to reach you and you will be notified about this. Anyway, once you went through the settings, you can either toggle it on from here by just flipping the switch, or by finding the toggle in here and tapping on it. Now, right now it's turned on, so if I tap on it again, it will turn it off. And I'll also add that if you're planning to enable it manually by tapping on a toggle like this, then you also might want to remember about turning it off. Otherwise, Do Not Disturb mode will be running indefinitely in the background. Now, if you're using the scheduled mode, you don't need to worry. It turns on and off automatically, so you're all set. But for everybody who's doing it manually, just tap on a toggle to turn it off. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.